Let's fill out an Arkansas prenuptial agreement together and check off every legal requirement as we go. This is Arkansas's prenuptial agreement, the contract a couple signs before marrying to set their own financial rules. On the right is everything Arkansas asks of it. The agreement has to be in writing, and that is the document in front of you. Start with the effective date, the day the couple plans to sign before their wedding. Type the month, day, and year here. Next, enter each prospective spouse's name and mailing address, exactly as they will appear on the signed pages. The agreement calls them Prospective Spouse 1 and Prospective Spouse 2, names carried through the signature block and the schedules ahead. Neither person owes the other any payment or promise for this to hold. The marriage itself is the exchange. Further down, a clause names which state's law governs the agreement and which state's courts would hear a dispute. This is an Arkansas agreement, so both blanks say Arkansas. The attached schedule lists each person's finances. Spouse 1's copy shows a bank account, a car, and some jewelry as examples. Spouse 2's copy follows the identical layout, with a different sample balance, vehicle, and valuable item. The agreement closes with a signature line and a dated line for each spouse. This one must be in writing, signed by both and acknowledged by both. One way to acknowledge it is for both to declare before an authorized public officer that the agreement is their own act and deed. Another way is a sworn affirmation from each person's own lawyer that their client understands and consents to what the agreement does. Another way is signing in front of a notary, with the statements about counsel, understanding, and freedom from coercion that the statute lists. Another way is signing in front of two witnesses who have no stake in the agreement. Fill out your own prenuptial agreement free at FormsPal, no sign-up required.